between the company and the owner, they can also seize personal assets. Guess what, scumbag? They now belong to the state. Your bank accounts? Yeah, those belong to the state too. Now, surely you must be thinking, this is now pro-revenge, right? Oh no. You see, this scumbag messed with your friend, and I don't take kindly to that kind of nonsense. You see, my friend learned throughout this process that on top of this, his former employee was committing tax fraud and tax evasion. As far as the employees were concerned, they were all straight up W-4 employees, meaning he was withholding the correct taxes, payroll taxes, Medicare taxes, etc., except that he was reporting to the IRS that all of his employees were independent contractors and wasn't actually withholding any taxes at all. And taxes for the company, he was fudging those so badly that they should have been sold as brownies. Unfortunately for Scumbag, a friend of a friend happened to work for the local IRS office. And after sitting with him over drinks one evening, we found out that the IRS has a tip line for reporting tax evasion. And depending on how it's reported, well, it turns out that the person reporting the tax evasion may actually get a small percentage as a reward for turning in the tax cheat. So on top of facing 30 some odd felony charges, and on top of having his personal and company assets seized, the scumbag now has the IRS chasing after him. And that, dear readers, is pro-revenge. Guys, now you have a prime example of why you don't mess with the IRS. Not even the Joker is willing to mess with the IRS. As he said, I may be crazy enough to take on Batman, but the IRS, no, thank you. That